In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off filter keys in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Filter keys is an accessibility feature in Windows that's designed to help people who might accidentally press keys multiple times or hold keys down for too long. It slows down keyboard input and can ignore repeated keystrokes. While this can be helpful for some users, it can also make your keyboard feel unresponsive or laggy if it's turned on by mistake. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to switch it off completely, step by step. First, go to your desktop and click on the Start button, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the Start menu, type Settings, and then select the Settings app from the search results. You can also press Windows +I on your keyboard as a shortcut to open Settings directly. Once the Settings window is open, look for the section labeled Accessibility. In Windows 10, this may be called Ease of Access, but it works in a similar way. Go ahead and click on that. Inside Accessibility or Ease of Access, find the option for Keyboard on the left-hand side. Click on Keyboard to open all the keyboard-related settings. This is where Windows stores options like sticky keys, toggle keys, and filter keys. Now, scroll down until you see the Filter Keys section. You'll see a description explaining that filter keys ignores or slows down brief or repeated keystrokes. If the feature is currently turned on, you'll see a switch or toggle set to on. To disable filter keys, click on that toggle so it switches to off. As soon as you do this, Windows will stop filtering your keystrokes, and your keyboard should respond normally again. While you're here, it's a good idea to check if there's an option that turns filter keys on when you hold down the Shift key for a few seconds. If that setting is available and you find you keep enabling filter keys by accident, you can uncheck or turn off that shortcut as well. This will help prevent the problem from happening again in the future. When you're done, you can simply close the Settings window. Your changes are saved automatically, and there's nothing else you need to apply or confirm. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off filter keys in Windows 11 or Windows 10, and your keyboard should now feel much more responsive.